Hi, I'm Alan Hilsbeck Jr., registered interior designer and certified master kitchen and bath designer. Today we are going to explore architectural drawings. How to draw plans for a two-story house. Houses come in many different sizes and shapes. Some are more complex than others. No matter the complexity or the size, the shape of the home, or the style of the home, the drawing basics for drawing a two-story house are the same. The first step in drawing a two-story house is to establish the first floor. This will include the walls, the windows, the doors, the stairs, and other elements within your floor plan. Getting the first floor of your home drawn just right will make it that much easier in laying out the second floor. Once you have your first floor drawn, now it's time to draw your second floor. If you're hand drafting, overlay your first floor plan with a piece of trace paper. If you're using CAD, simply cut and paste. What this will help you do is it will help you establish the major walls and other elements, such as a plumbing wall, that needs to be projected to the second floor. This will make the drawing of your second floor much easier. As you can see, we have a much better relationship between the first floor and the second floor. This will not only make the house easier to build, but more cost efficient, and most importantly, a better designed home. So the main points to remember are: 1, draw your first floor plan first. 2, overlay or simply copy and paste your first floor in order to establish your second floor plan. And don't forget to project your major walls and other architectural elements, including plumbing, up to your second floor. This will make drawing your two-story house a much easier process. So until next time, this is Alan Hilsbeck Jr., registered interior designer and certified master kitchen and bath designer from Hilsbeck Design Associates. Have a great day.